Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here at SIGGRAPH 2023. This is Jocelyn Moffatt from Autodesk. Welcome, Jocelyn.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Sure. Well, we've spoken in the past at different trade shows. I feel like every year we catch up. So this year, Autodesk, you're embracing the openness of the industry at the moment. So why don't you just talk about the two different things that you guys have going on?
Yeah, definitely. So we're here on the heels of announcing OpenUSD. We're really excited to be a founding member of the Alliance because it's so important to us that we're moving towards this open 3D ecosystem and really supporting that. We know our customers use a lot of different tools, including ours, but of course, Houdini, Adobe products, and so on. And so we want to make sure that their workflows are all connected, their pipelines are connected, and they're able to easily share assets between tools. So that's really why that is so important to us. Part of the Alliance coming together was to advance OpenUSD and really help build that ecosystem. And then in a similar vein, we also just announced with Adobe that OpenPBR, which is really the successor to Autodesk Standard Surface and Adobe Standard Material. Again, this is all about standardizing, creating, making things easier for artists, workflows easier.
Right. Yeah. So this is the 50th anniversary for SIGGRAPH, which is pretty cool. And you partnered with SIGGRAPH this year on an immersive experience. Can you?
Yeah.
Is it the tunnel of time?
The time tunnel.
The time tunnel.
Yes. So this is the 50th anniversary of the SIGGRAPH conference. And so we partnered with SIGGRAPH to create this immersive, interactive experience at the show that takes people on a journey through the past, present, and future of computer graphics. So looking back at the last 50 years and ahead at what's to come. And what was really exciting about this project was working with all of our customers and reaching out to ILM and Pixar and Sony, Netflix, to get all these incredible examples of content from over the years. Weta as well was involved. So we're featuring iconic film and TV moments like the first Jurassic Park, Toy Story, In the Walls, all these moments that really were very groundbreaking in the industry. And then alongside that, we're highlighting the technology moments that made those films possible. So really groundbreaking technology milestones over the last 50 years. At the end of the time tunnel, we have an exhibition space as well where we're talking about the future and where we see the future of design and make going with Autodesk. And so what we're doing is highlighting examples, not just within M&E, but across the industries that Autodesk serves, of how computer graphics is helping customers today really address these difficult challenges and create next generation content.
So you talked about covering the evolution of graphics. What have you seen over the last 2 years? Obviously AI, virtual production, is a big thing. How is Autodesk embracing both of those two new, the way people are working now?
Yeah, so AI is definitely the talk of the show. And we have been, for several years, been exploring AI workflows. As you're aware, 4 years ago we started to implement machine learning powered workflows into Flame. So to really speed up creative workflows for artists, help them do things like sky replacement really quickly, select different parts of the human face to make adjustments really quickly. So we've been doing that. And then this week we also announced that we're partnering up with NVIDIA to bring generative AI workflows into Maya, specifically around look development and tying that into Look DevX, which we added to Maya earlier this year. And we also shared that we are teaming up with Wonder Dynamics on character-driven workflows. And the first thing that will be happening there is they'll be working on an integration between Maya and Wonder Studio.
Very, very cool. Okay,
Oh, sorry. And I would say, of course, AI is really important, but for us at Autodesk, we really see the future as the cloud. And so we shared last year that we're on a journey to build a cloud platform for our customers, Autodesk Flow. And so that's another thing that we've been talking about a lot this week, about how we see this cloud connected future. And we're already seeing so many customers embrace the cloud.
Oh yeah.
We had a great talk in the Autodesk Vision series yesterday by a studio called Untold Studios. They're an entirely cloud-based studio, and so we're seeing more and more studios really embrace and leverage the cloud and the Autodesk Design and Make platform to do that.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. We've actually covered them in the publication a few times recently with the sloth, because they specialize sort of in characters, right?
Yes.
And then the Coors bears and the fur and they're incredible, the work that they do. So people should check them out. For
Really
sure.
beautiful
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. Jocelyn, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you for having me. This was wonderful.
Yeah.